About sugar cravings. So everyone's like, how in the world do we stop the sugar cravings? I want to eat all the garbage still. So here's the trick with the sugar cravings and how the sugar cravings are going to be gone after 3 to 5 days of starting this. Once we stop taking in all these carbs and sugars, we're not going to be running on glucose anymore. We're going to be running on our own fats on the body, and that is what's going to happen. The brain won't be craving glucose anymore, and that's why I would never cheat. People ask all the time, how often should I cheat? Should I cheat once a week, once a month? Look, if you eat whatever the hell you want 30 days out of the entire year, you will still get the results you want. You will still keep the body that you want to have. But I wouldn't plan out a cheat meal. If you cheat, you cheat. Just know that you're gonna feel bloated. The scale could go up because of the water weight, and you're going to crave carbs and sugars after cheating because you introduce that glucose back into the body. So we cut all that out. It'll cut out the sugar cravings. And what's crazy is we take in the fats. That suppresses the sugar cravings as well. So if you're concerned with the sugar cravings, that is one thing that I would definitely do. Don't try and make all these sugar-free desserts. Stop trying to do all the diet soda. I wouldn't, because now we're taking in food items that literally give us no nutritional value that isn't going to help us get better results. Could it help it to where we don't eat something bad? Sure. But what we're ingesting now into the body, I wouldn't take anything in with diet soda. I personally just wouldn't. So I like to do the sparkling waters, the Waterloos, different seltzer waters like that. And then one thing that everyone always talks about with True Meal is it curbs the sweet cravings, especially cake batter. By the time you guys watch this, cake batter is probably going to be gone. But triple dark chocolate, it's a dark bitter chocolate. It's not too sweet. It's a dark bitter chocolate. Vanilla cream is sweet and creaminess, and then chocolate milk, sweet creamy chocolate milk. But that's the thing. People try and come up with all these substitutes, come up with all these healthy desserts. There's nothing healthy with taking in all these different types of carbs and different fats and stuff like that where there's no nutritional value to it. So curbing those sweet cravings, they will stop after 3 to 5 days of just honing in on hitting your calorie goal, whole foods, meat, and veggies.